If you have a sweet tooth, you must try my Taiwanese brown sugar sweet potato. It's coated with brown sugar, sweet and has texture. Let's get into it. In the UK, it's more common to see this orange one, but I prefer the texture of this purple one. So this kind of purple sweet potato can be either white flesh or purple flesh. And I prefer this kind of purple skin sweet potato or any kind of white flesh sweet potato. And also for this dessert, small sweet potato are better. We simply peel the sweet potato. Because we have one more step before cooking the sweet potato, I'm gonna put it in the salt water, prevent it from changing the color. Also, I'm gonna cut the sweet potatoes smaller so they can be easily cooked through and the sugar can easily go into the sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna prepare the syrup. Turn the fire to a low heat. Add the sugar. The traditional recipe actually uses half malt sugar and half white sugar, but it's kind of difficult to find the malt sugar here, so today I only use brown sugar. Add a bit of water to help it melt. We cook it over low heat until all the brown sugar has melted. You can stir it occasionally to help it a bit. Now the brown sugar has melted, we add a bit salt and lemon juice to balance. And now we can add the sweet potato. And basically these are all the steps. We'll just let the sweet potato cook in the syrup for quite a while. 10 minutes later, you should be able to see the sweet potatoes release the liquid. Half an hour later, you can see the sweet potato has been cooked through. Turn off the heat. Wait for the sweet potato to cool down a little bit. This is exactly why I don't like to use the orange sweet potato, because it has more water in it. When the water comes out after you cook it, it just shrinks too much. I actually prefer to eat it when it cools down, but I just can't wait. All the sugar flavor has gone into the sweet potato, and the skin is actually chewy. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check my other Taiwanese cooking videos.